Welcome back to the Xillerated channel, people. My name is Jay, and today this is gonna be part 2, making the WRX wagon fender to lip. So what I had to do just to remove the axle bind for now, raise the car back up just about an inch, and then had to wait on parts that are coming in. But right now, the main thing I'm gonna do is show you guys what you need to do fender to lip on a 2002 Subaru WRX. So let's get to it. All right, so I got all the parts laid out that what you're gonna need for the car is 07 STI control arm. You could use the 04 to 07 STI control arms, but the 07, from what I've noticed, is more straight than curved on the other control arms. I'll put a photo up to show you guys. What you're gonna need is new bushing, sway bar end link for a sedan, and a boss link. If your STI control arm doesn't come with any, you're definitely gonna need that. So I started working on the passenger side first. Basically, here's the control arm. This is definitely a lot lighter. As you can see, it is a bit longer. I got the passenger side done. Looks good. Gotta get some light for you guys real quick. At least to me, like, it looks so much better than the regular stock control arm. Like, this makes it look like there's a whole bunch of space inside of this wheel well now, but really isn't much, as you saw. But now I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other side. That is a Torque Solution end link, sway bar end links. And I'm gonna go take care of the other side now. New ball joint, pinch bolt. But yeah. So compared to this side, it just looks solid. Doesn't look like that much space, but it might just be me. But let's get to it. What you guys gonna need, though, might as well get to it, is get under here. Look under. There's a 19 socket bolt that needs to get there, and back here, as you can see, this control arm needs to be changed anyway. So messed up. And then I believe it's a 17 millimeter. 17 millimeter. Hold on. Let me find a better spot to view this. 17 millimeter bolt is right. Hold on, can't get this situated. So you're gonna need a 17 mil, and then on the other side as well. So it has one on the other side, which is right behind here, and then the 19 right there, and then on the other side. Then of course you got your ball joint that you're gonna have to remove. You're also gonna need a 15 mil. That's a 14 mil. Remove that if you're not gonna use it. Unless you got new ball joints, you wouldn't have to remove this. I got the STI control arms on, and now what I'm doing is lowering the car back down to 1.5 inches in the front, just to see how it looks again, and hoping at that level, how low the car is, I'm hoping I don't get that axle bind no more. Right now I'm just adjusting the end links, and yeah, you'll see the car when it's done. Recording?
Yeah.
Still recording?
Yeah.
Alright, we're just test fitting how to make sure before I go on the other side and just knock everything out. So pretty much we got the car lowered. As you can see, it's back down to the normal spec where it was at. Now we're gonna see if there's gonna be an axle bind. But let me show you the clearance on this camber, because it did add a really good amount of camber on here. But if you check it out, it's actually pretty good. My barrel is actually not touching the coilover. I got it, but yep, we got space right there between the barrel and the coilover. Everything's all tidied up on here. Only thing I'm gonna have to do after I get everything done on the passenger side is going to have to mess with the toe right here, mess with the toe and try to do eyeball alignment. Definitely need an alignment after I do all this, but an eyeball alignment will be good to test out if I still got axle bind or not. Right now, my current issue is my axle is hitting this part where I'm chopping up right now. I might as well go live and show people who probably have a wagon that want to slam. They're gonna have to chop up part of their body because your axle is gonna rub against that. So I'm making like YouTube video and going live today. I'm like, forget it, might as well go all out. Gotta finish what I started. Not even finish, gotta keep doing what you love and stay excited doing it and just keep moving. Oh crap. Drivable by cutting up that part. So basically the pinch weld, cut it up to basically to the frame, or the frame, and then now I'm gonna smoothen it out, and hopefully when I lower it, it doesn't cut up my my axle, because it's cutting it up right there. Alright you guys, so I finally test drove the car, and yeah, it is a lot more than what I expected. I did not expect my car to do what it's doing, so I probably might have to do a little bit more work. It's rubbing against the body. Might as well give you guys a look at it, how it looks like. Don't mind the dirt, it's dirty. I gotta wash it, but here's how she's sitting right now. The wind noise got too crazy, have to do a voiceover, but quick overview. What you're gonna need to do this all at once and not have to like wait over time. You're gonna need some SDI control arms that are not curved so it doesn't add caster, sway bar end links from a sedan, notch the body from where the CV axle is, and some really good coilovers so you can knock it out all at once. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, but also keep doing what you love and stay excited doing it. Stay exhilarated. That's what it's all about, you know. I enjoy the car. I enjoy doing what I'm doing, making content every now and then for you guys, and I'm still putting it out. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you guys next time.
Hey, my neighbor car is so low. He gotta put boards underneath it to get the driveway.